Alright, everybody. It's like 5:30 in the morning, and the baby woke up, but she won't go back to sleep. Kilo sleeping. Don't bite the camera. And you got the other baby over there sleeping. And it's just me and the puppy. She's tired. Bless you. Yeah, I'm giving her a Sharpie marker to chew on. Look at her face. Well, everybody, that's Chula. I'm trying to put her to sleep, but she's like a real baby. I can't do that to a real baby, but she woke up and she was crying, and I didn't know what to do, so I took her in, and I'm choking her. Play my PSP. Alright, mommy, say goodnight. Oh, her tooth is stuck in the blanket. Say goodnight. Good night, everybody. Good night.